वेलकम टू अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो। आज सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। दिस इज एपिसोड नंबर 3, बिजनेस अवेयरनेस एंड करंट अफेयर्स। Coal crisis in India. Government enable important coal power plants to sell unrequisition power, allowed 50% sale of coal from captive mine. Even though being the world's second largest producer and consumer of coal after China, currently India is facing a coal crisis. Multidimensional Global Multidimensional Poverty Index 2021. Global Multidimensional Poverty Index 2021 was released by United Nations Development Programme (UNDP) and Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative (OPHI), headquarters of UNDP, New York, USA. This report examined the level and composition of multidimensional poverty across 109 countries, over 5.9 billion people. Adani Group takes over management of Jaipur International Airport. Adani Group took over the responsibility of the Jaipur International Airport from the Airport Authority of India. RBI imposes penalty on Janta Sahakari Bank. The RBI imposed a penalty of rupees 30 lakh on Janta Sahakari Bank Limited, Pune for non-compliance with certain direction. ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, पेनल्टी लगाते रहता है आरबीआई. Akas Air gets not to operate in India. The Ministry of Civil Aviation gave a no objection certificate (NOC) for the operation of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala backed new airline Akas Air in India. ISSF Junior Shooting Worlds, India finishes on top. India won a whopping 43 medals, including 17 gold, to finish on top of the pecking order in the just concluded ISSF Junior World Championship in Lima. Full form of ISSF, International Shooting Sports Federation. PM Modi to launch ever PM Gati Shakti Master Plan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to launch first ever National Infrastructure Master Plan called Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti. This master plan will be launched on October 13, 2021. Amit Kher appointed as advisor to Prime Minister. Former IAS officer Amit Kher was appointed as advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was appointed for 2 years in the rank and scale of Secretary to Government of India. All government schools will get CBSE affiliation by 2024, Andhra Pradesh CM. In an important move in school education, Andhra Pradesh CM Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy directed the official of the Education Department to take measures to get CBSE affiliation for all state government school and ensure all students write CBSE exam in 2024. Arvind Kejriwal launches Desh Ke Mentor program. CM Arvind Kejriwal launched a program under which students of Delhi government school will be provided guidance on career choices by citizens who are successful in their respective fields. The Desh Ke Mentor program entails adopting 1 to 10 government school students who can mentor by citizens who are successful in their respective field. International Energy Agency invites India to become full-time member. International Energy Agency (IEA) invited India, the world's third largest energy consumer, to become its full-time member. A proposal, if accepted, will require New Delhi to raise strategic oil reserve to 90-day requirement. Rajneesh Kumar joins BharatPe as chairman. Rajneesh Kumar, former chief of State Bank of India, joined the board of BharatPe, a fintech firm, as chairman. HCL Google Cloud expand tie-up for healthcare life science solution. HCL Technologies expanded its strategic partnership with Google Cloud to jointly launch healthcare and life sciences solution for customer. Germany first team to qualify for 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Germany became the first team to qualify for the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar following the side-thumping win over North Macedonia in UEFA Group. Modi participates in G20 Extraordinary Leader Summit. The agenda of meeting included a discussion on response of humanitarian needs and access to basic service and livelihood, security and the fight against terrorism, and mobility, migration and human rights. Union Cabinet approved Phase 2 of Swachh Mission Urban AMRUT. The Union Cabinet approved the second phase of the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban and the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and the Urban Transformation till 2025-26. Niti Aayog Handbook on Sustainable Urban Plastic Waste Management. The Vice President of Niti Aayog, Rajiv Kumar, launched the Niti Aayog United Nations Development Programme UNDP Handbook on Sustainable Urban Plastic Waste Management. India retains third position in Renewable Energy Investment Attractiveness Index. India remained at the third position in the 58th edition of EY's Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index (RECAI), which ranked the world's top 40 market nations on the attractiveness of their renewable energy investment and development opportunities. Paralympian Deepa Malik joins OYO board as independent director. Malik joins the board of OYO that has three other independent director and one nominee director beside Ritesh Agarwal, who is the chairman. Hero MotoCorp joins hand with Galera to expand operation in Argentina. Hero MotoCorp tie up with Galera Motors Argentina to reinvigorate and expand its operation in one of the key markets in South America, in line with its aggressive global business strategy. Germany launches world's first self-driving train. The self-driving train was launched in the city of Hamburg, Germany. This train is more punctual and energy efficient as compared to traditional train. Divya Deshmukh becomes woman grandmaster. Child prodigy Divya Deshmukh became India's latest woman grandmaster (WGM) at the first Saturday Grandmaster Chess Tournament in Budapest, Hungary. Urban Mental Well-being Index Kochi Chandigarh West. An independent firm tracking consumer insight and behavior in its research on mental well-being of people in urban centers has shown that people in tier 2 cities are doing much better on the well-being index than those in metros. Rohit Sharma is brand ambassador of Infinity Learn. Indian opener Rohit Sharma was roped in as brand ambassador of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya, an edtech company. Tamil Nadu CM launches a scheme to melt temple jewelry. Tamil Nadu CM M.K. Stalin launched temple gold monetization scheme to melt into 24-karat gold bars the unutilized jewelry in the possession of the temple in the state. So this is all for today. I hope वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज लाइक करना. मैं न्यूज़ के बीच में इतना एक्सप्लेन नहीं करता क्योंकि वो सिंपल न्यूज़ होती है और जो इम्पोर्टेंट होता है वो मैं बोल्ड में शो कर देता हूँ. सो आई होप वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.